Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name green color, green color, yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color, red color, red color, blue color, blue color, black color, black color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw one. The numbers of one and use green color. Kids again use green color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6. And use red color. Red color. Kids now draw 7. And again use red color. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10. And again use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11. And use black color. Black color. Kids again use black color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. Kids now draw 13. The numbers of 13. And use black color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids now draw 15. The numbers of 15. And again use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16. And use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 19. The numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20. And again use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.